How to view Instagram stories without them knowing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view Instagram stories without the person knowing or just secretly watching it. But before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your Insta. Now, after you head over to your Insta, let's say this is the story that I want to watch, but I don't want the user to find out that I've watched them. Now, what I'll do is I'll just select either a story on the left hand side or a story on the right hand side. After you open up a story, what you'll then do is you'll simply just swipe and you'll just do a half swipe. As you can see right here, I can see the story, but if I just go back and go back, you will see that I have not viewed the story entirely. Now we can do that again. As you can see, I can half swipe and almost completely see the story. But there you go, I've just seen the story. But that is basically how you view Instagram stories without the person knowing. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.